Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. D F&B Training YouTube channel. I'm Mr. D and today we'll talk about a restaurant money saving secret. Managing food cost. It is easier than you think. Let's dive in. Segment number 1. Calculate and watch food cost. First thing first, we need to know what we are spending on food. Here is how calculate food cost percentage. Take your total food expenses, divide it by total food sales, multiple by 100. Once you apply those formula, definitely you will get your exact food cost percentage. So, what is the most preferred food cost percentage into a F&B business? Here we go. 25% between 28%. If you are able to maintain those numbers, those specific areas, definitely you are running a successful food and beverage business. At the same time, you have to track down all your expenses and all your sales details. Those information definitely will help you to track down your business progress as well as to know where you're standing at the moment. Segment number 2. Manage your ingredients. Now let's look at your ingredients. Because as we all know, this is where the magic happens. In a food and beverage industry, it is mandatory to conduct daily basis inventory. Inventory can be divided into a two part: opening stock inventory, closing stock inventory. In this way, you can prevent your unwanted wastage. Of course, you will be able to catch losses. At the same time, you may apply FIFO system FIFO means in a hospitality industry or hospitality term, first in, first out. Applying FIFO system directly or indirectly, you will find out your nearly expiry product. Finding out nearly expiry product, you can cut down your unwanted wastage, and you will be able to maintain healthy P&L. Segment number 3, smart menu choices. Now, your menu can be your best friend when it comes to managing food cost. Here's how. Crunch the numbers to figure out how much each dish costs to make price wisely. And set menu prices that covers cost and stay competitive. Promote the profitable products. Push dishes with bigger profit margin will help you to maintain your healthy menu in your restaurant. Segment number 4, watch portions and train staff. Portions and staff are key to success. Here's why. Portion size. Keep portion size consistent to avoid waste. Train your team. Teach your kitchen staff or teach your back of house staff to use portion wisely. If you're able to maintain these two particular options, definitely your restaurant can be shine among others. Segment number 5. Cut down on waste. Waste is your enemy. Let's tackle it. Keep an eye. Watch where your kitchen waste goes. Reduce waste. Use composting, recycling to minimize wastage. In this way, you can cut down to the max your day-to-day wastage. Conclusion. Managing food cost is all about being smart with your resources. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more restaurant tips. And if you have any questions or want us to cover more topics, comment down below. Thank you for watching Mr. DFNB Trainer YouTube channel. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.
If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe us. Give us a thumbs up over with your valuable comment down there. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Thank you for watching.